Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, I am so glad that you are here, and I hope by the end of the video you'll decide to stick around and become part of my beauty YouTube family. I've got a lot of reasons for you to want to stay right now. I have 3 separate giveaways going on, and I have a ton of giveaways coming up in the very near future. Some of them are actually sponsored by a brand that I'm working with, so I'm super excited for that. That's coming very soon. And then I have one of my kind of like larger giveaways. I have a stockpile going for that. But right now, I have a giveaway for a brand new Huda Beauty Retrograde eyeshadow palette. I have a separate giveaway for the NARS Quartz eyeshadow palette. And then I have a giveaway for a $35 Makiage e-gift card. So they're all 3 separate videos, 3 separate giveaways. I will have all of them linked in the description box below. And to get your entry, you just simply have to be subscribed here on the channel and then leave me a comment on each one of the videos that have the giveaways, because that is how the winners are chosen. So all of them will be down below. Check it out if you don't have your entry in any of those giveaways, and definitely keep your eye open for the upcoming videos. This is not going to be a super long video because I'm thinking I might get off and shoot another one. I am really excited about something that came in the mail, and I'm excited about this too. So we are going to go through my February glam bag from Ipsy. So this is the smaller bag, and can we just say this bag is adorable. What is my camera is not focusing right? That was strange. But I am a lover of anything hearts, pretty much like a middle school girl. And then the little zipper part is a heart as well. And anyhow, so within this bag, it costs about $14. Now I think it just went up from like 12 to like 13 or 14, or maybe it went from 13 to 14. I don't know. It went up $1 or so. But in this bag, you get to customize one item, and it's most of the time, mostly deluxe size samples of things, which is kind of cool because I do like to collect these things for travel. Like smaller little makeups and skincare and that kind of thing to travel with. But it's also cool to get to try little small amounts of things, figure out if you like it, and if it's something that you would like to purchase a full size of. So that's kind of cool. And let's go ahead and jump on in. So the first item is actually, it says on there that this is a full size product, which I'm kind of iffy about, but it does say that it's a full-size product, and it retails for $28. It is the K-Boss Perfecting Potion Illuminating Primer. Now, if you have been on my channel for any amount of time, then you know I am a primer chick. I like triple prime, double prime. I'm a primer girl. So, but this is what the packaging looks like on that. And look how small it is to be a full size. That is really tripping me out. But the reviews that I read were pretty good, so I'm excited to give it a try. And I'm actually really excited because it's also an illuminating primer, and I'm definitely a dry skinned girl. So there we go. And then this was actually an add-on, and I got this because I saw Allie Dawson unbagging hers earlier in the month. And she got the Benefit Roller Lash Mascara. This is obviously a deluxe size sample. And she just raved about this. So I saw it in add-ons for $3. And I'm like, yeah, I want to try it. But this came right before I left for work today. And I was so excited to give it a try because she raved about it so much that I did try it before work, and I didn't love it. But here's the thing, I'm really picky about my mascaras, and the reason that I didn't like it is a very, very common thing for mascaras and me. It was like a very wet formula, and I don't like that. I find that to be messy, and I just like a little bit of a drier formula. However, it did lengthen, and a lot of times, the first time I try a mascara, I won't like it. And then once a little bit of air gets in there from it being opened, then maybe the second or third or fourth time that I revisit it, I end up loving it. So I will definitely revisit it and see if my opinion changes on it. But that is the packaging on the actual mascara. And yeah, so there is that. Next, this was my choice item, and this is another full-size product, and I just want to quickly say that that is so cool. For a regular glam bag, I got 2 full-size products this month, because remember, normally it's deluxe size samples, and it's only like $13 or $14. So I mean, what do you expect? But this was my choice, and it is a full size of the Bella Pierre setting powder, and this is their banana, and it's in the shade, I guess, banana. But when I saw this, I'm like, yes, because now if you have seen me, any of my videos where I'm getting ready, you have definitely seen me use the Bella Pierre HD finishing powder in translucent. This is one of my go-tos for setting my eye primer. I absolutely love this. It's very finely milled. So if their banana powder is anything like the translucent powder, I'll probably really, really like it and may get some use out of it for setting the rest of my face. As a dry skinned girl, setting powders on like my face can be a big no-no. There's a few that I like and trust, but even them can make me look kind of chalky and cakey. I like the Fenty Beauty. Speaking of setting powders, you guys, let me just quickly say, I tried this for the first time today. I got this. I want to say it was the Huda Beauty Curated Glam Bag X. So it was like a few months back, but I had a few setting powders that I was already using and that I had open. So I wanted to save it. And then I was going through my drawers. I had forgotten that I actually had it and I wanted to give it a try, and I used it today before I went to work. It is the By Terry. See if I still have the box right here. Yeah, the By Terry Hyaluronic Hydra Powder, and it is a translucent setting powder. And that is what the packaging looks like on that. But you guys, I was blown away when I put this on over my foundation. I very lightly dusted it over like my 11 marks, my T-zone, and like not only did it not make me look cakey, it airbrushed me, like it blurred my pores, and I have never experienced that to that level with a powder, because like I said, being dry skinned, normally a setting powder will do the opposite to me. It will make me look not so hot. So I was really, really impressed with that, and I'm definitely going to be using that a whole lot more. So I just wanted to mention that really quick because we were talking about the whole setting powder stuff. So, okay, next, this is a brand that I've actually never heard of. It is Solwaso. I did look it up on Ipsy, and it says that it is a Korean beauty brand, and this is their activated first care serum. The reviews on Ipsy, a lot of them were really good, and they said they really liked it. A lot of people complained about the size and said, how can you tell if a skincare product is going to work on that size? But guys, we're paying for the glam bag, and we know that the glam bag is mostly deluxe size samples. So sometimes I just don't know what people are expecting, but I do love skincare, and I'm somebody who enjoys a healthy balance of skincare and makeup within my subscriptions. So I'm excited to give it a try. I've never tried anything from the brand or even heard of the brand, but it is a deluxe size sample that comes with 8 milliliters. It's so funny because I was thinking to myself, the primer that they call a full size looks like a mini, but in my opinion, that is the serum. And I mean, how much do you really need of a serum? That almost looks like a full-size serum, and then a deluxe size sample of the primer. So I'm a little confused on that, but hey, we'll roll with it. And then I've got 2 more products. One of them is by Bella Argentine. Is that how you say that? Bella and Argent. We see their brushes, we see their products in Ipsy, and I don't know if we have seen them in box yet. I feel like we're seeing a lot of crossover brands, but definitely in Ipsy. But this is their brow, kind of like brow tint, and I have really been enjoying products like this recently, where before I did not like products like this because my brows are so sparse and thin that I just didn't have the hair to work with. But I've been using some lash and brow serums that have really, really helped me out. And currently I am out of like all of my favorite brow products. I'm out of my Benefit. I'm out of my Cella Beauty. So I'm excited to have a new one to try. Hopefully it will go well. This is supposed to be their taupe blonde shade. So I'm excited to try it. And then last but not least, from Zion Health, I got a hydrating lip balm in elderberry. That is what the packaging on that looks like. And I mean, it's not the most exciting thing I've ever seen, but I'm still in winter. I am a dry skin girl, lips included, but not those lips. And I said that last time, and so many of you guys loved that. And it was so funny because like, oh my God, it just came out of my mouth. And I couldn't even believe that I said it because it was one of those late night videos. But so I just had to make a joke of saying that before. But anyhow, yeah, I mean, it's something I can throw in my purse, put on my lips at any time. You don't even need a mirror because I'm sure it's probably colorless. Hopefully it smells good. Let's check it out. Yeah, this is something that'll just go right into my purse. Yep, so it is a colorless balm. It smells fruity. And yeah, I mean, I'm cool with it. It's not the most exciting thing, but I'm cool with it. So yeah, that was my glam bag, my Ipsy Glam bag for the month of February. And that's going to be it for this video, guys, because I am debating. Now, I've been working all day. But it's not that late. I mean, I have been down here filming at like 3 and 4 in the morning, and it's only like 12:30. So I am thinking about going to wash this makeup off and come down to play with some of the things that I got from the BoxyCharm Mega Drop Shop. My first order has come in. You guys, I bought way too much stuff, but in several different orders. This particular order only has 3 products in it, but they're products that I'm really, really excited to try. So I'm thinking about it. We will see. If I don't do it tonight, I will definitely be doing it tomorrow. But that's going to be it for this video. And thank you so much for hanging out. And I will see you guys very, very soon in my next video. Bye.